Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martin Lucas Investor. I've just been talking about Enphase, Invader. Oh dear, it doesn't matter. I don't know where that came from. Anyway, what an evening. What an evening we had with Enphase Energy. A huge evening. So what do we do? Was it bad? Was it good? Are you going to take advantage of it? Do you think it's all over? Are you in trouble? Well, I've got some news for you today that's going to be quite shocking, I think. Quite surprising, but there we go. Right, let me get straight into it. I've just noticed in our Discord, we've got somebody who's just come in as a scammer, tried to manipulate people. So I'm just going to get rid of that comment there. Someone coming in trying to sell some dodgy stuff. So let me just take care of that. So just got to ban someone called Jonas who's coming in just to manipulate my audience. So we'll take care of that. Okay, we've taken care of that. That's all done. Just want to make sure that we've got everything covered. There we go. All right, I think we're good. Can't have anyone coming in to try to manipulate my audience. Right, okay, let's get straight into it. Now you can see I'm down, but things are moving. This is an Enphase Energy live reaction this morning. It's that the main video is coming after this. We have the Chevron earnings change time. The Chevron earnings will be straight after this show. As you can see, there's a Chevron earnings, but this morning bell will be quite short as I am completing the video for Enphase Energy. So that will be straight after this. Straight after this. So yeah, I'm just putting the final touches to that. Anyway, Enphase Energy is what the name of this video is. Huge reaction. One of the most dramatic sell-offs in stock market history. If you look at how it rose, now it fell. What does this mean? Well, I've got some information. I'm sharing the poll that you all took part in with the company, with the CEO. It's being sent off this morning. We are still running a poll. It's still there. It hasn't yet finished. Let's have a look. Let me bring it on the screen. We're going to be sending this off later on, and with the video that's coming out this morning. Here is the Enphase poll. If you've not yet voted, let me give you now the link. If you're over there on TikTok, jump into the profile and you can come and find me on YouTube, and I can give you the information. So let me give you the Enphase. Here we go. Poll. If you want to take part in this, Enphase poll. If you want to have your say. Okay. There it is. And this will be part of the video later. Coming out after the opening bell this morning. There is Enphase Energy. I'll pin it to the top so you can all find it. There you go. Let me go and give it to my Rumblers as well this morning. Oh, I'm not on Rumble this morning. I'm not on Rumble, am I? No, that's the Chevron earnings. But we'll just nip into X. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. All right, so there you go. We've got 60 votes. Agree oversold. 45% said it's oversold. Well, I wonder if you put your money where your vote was. I certainly did, and I'm going to share all of that in the video coming up after this. We're just watching Enphase Energy this morning. I'm not going to say too much about it because I don't want to spoil the video. But anyway, good morning, says Henrik from Denmark. Thank God it's Friday, Sax8. Hey, everyone. How wonderful to see one of our original members, Mark Korn. Good to see you. How are you, Mark? It's lovely to have you here. Mark is one of our gold badge owners. He's been here for the longest time. Mark, it's wonderful to see you here. How are you? How you been? How's your family? How's your sister? How is she doing? Hope she's feeling a bit better. I know she's been struggling, but how is she? Lovely to have you here, Mark. Good morning, all, said Zed Hink. Good morning to you. and Enphase Energy will be. It's October the 27th. We're only a few days away now from the Fed report. Is it going to be interest rates coming down? Are we going to get a huge explosion from Enphase Energy and other stocks? And I've got to dispel the myth about Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is going through litigation for the talcum powder cases. Yes, but too many people are saying that Johnson & Johnson is going bankrupt, filing for bankruptcy. You have to understand what is actually going on here. So much manipulation in the market, it's ridiculous. I don't know how people sleep at night with spreading the sort of rumors that they are spreading. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm going to explain to you now. Johnson & Johnson is not going bankrupt. What it's doing, it's filing for bankruptcy. Now, of course, that sounds pretty scary, right? You think, okay, so it is going bankrupt. No, it's not. J&J is a huge conglomerate, a huge organization, and because of the litigation with J&J, with the talcum powder, it's separated parts of its company. It's divided things up. I'm trying to put it in sort of basic terms, and it's trying to put all of that business in a bankruptcy, Chapter 11, so it can limit the amount it has to pay out. It's a business. It's going to pay out. It's got to pay out. It's going to get resolved. Will that mean that J&J is? Does that mean J&J is filing for bankruptcy and it's going to go bust? No. If J&J was filing for bankruptcy, the share price of J&J would be $1. All right. It's not. It's going through some pain because it's being held up in litigation, so the company can't grow. It's being sold off every day, a little bit every day. Hardly anything, actually, 0.5, and 0.5%, less than 0.25%, not even that. Just trimming off because people don't want to be in the dividend king while it goes through litigation. So it presents an opportunity for those who want to buy it. Now, Jim Cramer was famously said 2 months ago he dumped all of his charitable trust, J&J, because he didn't want to be involved in the litigation. He didn't want to sit around, which is what Wall Street does. Remember, he's from Wall Street. Wall Street don't want to wait around. If something's going to go down, they'll get out and they'll come back because they can move the market. They can buy it back when it's all done and it flies back up again in seconds. Retail investors can't do that. We haven't got the money to move the markets like that. So we have to be in and buy the dip. We have a very different philosophy, but we are hopefully investors, not just raiding the piggy bank like what Wall Street is famous for doing all the time. They short the market, they drive it down, they pump it up, they dump it. That's how it goes. J&J is not going bankrupt anytime soon or anytime at all. Its balance sheet and its cash on hand can pay all these claimants dead easy. It's filing bankruptcy in a sector of its business to shut down the claimants. That's all it is. It's a business move. But too many people are writing on my X account and trying to tell people, don't buy J&J. Martin Lucas is talking rubbish. It's going bankrupt. It's not going bankrupt. You're talking rubbish. You don't understand how the business works. But J&J is not. Anytime will go bankrupt. Bankruptcy, I know. I've been bankrupt. I declared myself bankrupt. That's when I decided my debts were greater than my income. I'd never pay them back. It's when the credit crunch came to England. I've told you all the story. And I had AAA rating, credit rating, perfect. I did it on purpose. It was the right business move for my company at the time. And so on and so forth. But I saw my debts bigger than my income. J&J do not see that. You can't be bankrupt unless you cannot pay your bills. If you've got no debts or your debts are smaller than your income, you cannot go bankrupt, right? It doesn't work like that. Anyway, I just thought I'd address that because I get tired every morning of reading such silly comments that don't make no sense. Good morning, good afternoon, and welcome to Martin Lucas Investor Channel. We miss that, don't we? Don't we miss that? Doesn't everybody miss that every morning? I miss it. I miss it when Sensei would sit there. You'd see my logo. Then you'd see his logo, his Sensei Crypto. And then you get a little bit of a pause and a little cheeky smile. Sensei would just smile. I can't do his smile. He does his smile himself. He does his little cheeky smile, and then he says, good morning and afternoon, and welcome to Martin Lucas Investors Channel. I'm Sensei Crypto. I miss it. It was great. It was great. Yeah, I liked it. I enjoyed it. And we all miss it, don't we? We all miss it. I should go on holiday again and get Sensei back again. But don't worry, he's back every single Sunday. So every Sunday you can have his chart analysis and all the rest of it. My name is Sensei Crypto, and I will be doing, what? That was only half your comment. I will be doing what? And I will be doing, all I got was half a comment. Anyway, Cassie is okay. Everything is okay with Cassie. Okay, I'm good, thank you. Everything's okay, good. Here he is, the man of the hour. We want to hear from him. We want to hear from Mike this morning. Everyone's been asking after Mike. Hello, everyone. Feeling a little better and glad to be back in. Yes, we were all asking yesterday, where is Mike? Well, we knew where Mike was. Mike had to go to hospital. He was rushed into the emergency operation and all the rest of it, antibiotics, all the rest of it, and a lot of pain in his stomach, his abdomen, and he's had a hard time, but he's back with us, and we're very pleased to hear it. And thank you for keeping us updated on Discord and everything else, Mike. Absolutely brilliant. So yeah, thanks for that. That is good, Mike. It is good. And we flooded the chat, didn't we, with Mike's Get Well? Absolutely. Right. Virgin Galactic, 151. Down 3.79. Improving. Palantir, up today. Gold, up. S&P, up. Amazon, up. Great earnings, by the way. Apple, Next Era Energy. Brilliant. Enphase Energy. Well, we're talking about it today. We're going to watch it. We're going to do some reviews, and I got a big video coming out this morning about it. And then, of course, we've got the Chevron earnings as well. Okay, the Chevron earnings as well. Coca-Cola down slightly. J&J down microscopically. We talked about that a moment ago. Kenvue doing well. Well, up today, 0.25%. I wouldn't say doing well. Chevron has missed on earnings. Does it say on here yet? I've already found this out. There you go. Missed on earnings. Estimated 333, actual 3. It missed on earnings. I'm so bloody annoyed with Chevron. I hate oil, wish I'd never bought it. I can't get out of it. 14% down. Oil's just a thing of the past. We're always going to have oil. Don't everyone write in and say, oh, he says oil's finished. No, it's not. Oil will always be around, but it's peaked. It's peaked, I think. EV's taking over. It's peaked. I bought it at the wrong time. I bought it in near the top, and that's the worst time to do it. And do you know why I bought it at the top? When I started trading, it's the biggest mistake anyone can make. Probably the biggest mistake anyone can make investing. When I first started investing, I would watch CNBC, the business channel, you know, all the working lunch, all of these things, Jim Cramer, and so on and so forth. They are entertainment. That is entertainment, and it's manipulation at the highest level for stupid retail investors that watch this stuff. The business news, absolutely rubbish. The biggest investors, huge investors with loads of money, were telling me, buy Chevron. Oh, we got this buyback program. It's going to be great. I mean, it's worse than a YouTube. It's worse than a YouTube channel. Not me. As you know, I'm always honest, right? I'm not trying to sell videos. I'm trying to be the most honest channel on TV. They're all manipulated. The analysts all got, you know, incentives and so on and so forth. They're all paid to do it anyway. But I was listening to those people, and I made a lot of business investments with those presenters on Working Lunch. Never watch CNBC, Working Business Lunch, all of these things, Jim Cramer, all of it. It's entertainment, right? Even though my show is entertainment, it's the truth though, right? They're manipulated, they're paid, and it was all about buy oil. We got all these buybacks. This is the price. This is where it is. This is where it's going. Yada, yada, yada. I'm thinking, right, okay, I don't know anything about investing. I'm listening to the biggest investors. Let me have a listen to this. Yeah, this is good. All right, I'll buy some oil. Yeah. And look what happened. It's gone down ever since I bought it. It's rubbish. Now, oil's fine, but you got to buy it at the right price. And I bought it at the worst price. Took the worst advice I've ever had in my life. I could get better advice on BitBoy or Cryptos R Us than I could get with a big hedge fund manager on CNBC. Unbelievable. So yeah, and I've thought about that a lot. Breakfast bar, says Mike. All right, he's in the breakfast bar. Let's have a quick look. I've got a direct message here from somebody. Friend request pending. Buckaroo. Is Buckaroo in the channel? Is Buckaroo in the channel? This could be a scammer trying to pretend to be Buckaroo. That's what it could be. But I'll check that later. Make sure. Anyway, let's go in the breakfast bar. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. This is what it means. This is what it means to be a real fan of the show, right? This is what it means. This is what it means. When you have a set of mugs like that. When you have a set of mugs like that on your when you have a set of mugs like that on your table, that's when you know that you are. I'm here, Buckaroony. I'm glad you're here, Buckaroony. I've got something to ask you. You might have a scammer, or it could be you. I'll check it. Right. So look. That's what it is to be a member of this channel. All right. Now, just to be fair, he didn't buy them all. He won this one. He won You're the Best. He won that one. But the rest, he bought them. That's what it is to be a fan. Anyway, Buckaroony, you're here. So I have a friend request from Buckaroony. Is this you? Profile. Is this you? Because we should already be friends. We should already be friends on here. Let's have a look. All right, is this you? Because if this is you, Buckaroony, is that you? Make sure it's the right username. Is that you? Because if that's you, I need to upgrade you on Discord. Maybe you're not upgraded because I do that as part of the membership. I'm here. I'm Buckaroony. So, right. Well, come into Discord then. Come into Discord and I'll accept that. But I want to upgrade you then because obviously you've not been upgraded. Come into Welcome All. Pop into Welcome All. Come here. Right. Come in here. And I will upgrade your account. Maybe you've not yet been given YouTube membership, which means you can't see all the exclusive channels, you can't call in, and so on and so forth. I only accept my members as friends and upgrade, obviously. So, yes, I sent the request this morning. Right, okay. Well, I should already have done it. So just come into Welcome All so I can upgrade you to YouTube membership. I can't do it from that profile. I need to link in there. Anyway, come and do that a second, and I will do it. Right, Enphase Energy. We're talking about Enphase Energy this morning, and we're going to have a special video coming out after the bell, and then we've got Chevron earnings as well going forward. All right. The overall portfolio is down, but trying to push up. Virgin Galactic, Palantir, Gold, S&P, Amazon, Apple. Oh, there's Mike's just popped in. Or an interview with Rocket Lab, Peter Beck. That'll be interesting. Thank you for that, Mike. Sid sent that in. Sid Arthur, brilliant. I'll look at that. I'm just waiting for we're just waiting for Buckaroony to come into the Welcome All so I can sort his account out. Amazon, Apple, Next Era Energy, Enphase, 8140. Got a big video coming out shortly about all of this. So stick around after this video. Just waiting for Buckaroony to come into Discord. Welcome all. If you could pop in there, that would be really great. Just waiting for Buckaroony to do that. Keep my eye on that. Coca-Cola, just down slightly. Oh, that's Mike typing. Come on, Buckaroony, jump on into Discord. I need to welcome in, Buck, says Mike. Here he is, look. Here he is. Mike's welcoming Buck in. I need Buckaroony to be in there just so I can upgrade his account. J&J. I'm in there. I don't see you. Look, here's the welcome all. Look. This is the welcome all channel. Just write hello. You need to write hello just here. Right? You're not in. Until you write something, I can't see you. All right? I can't see you until you write something. Look, there's Mike. I need you to write something here, Buckaroony. You're saying you're in, but you haven't written anything. I don't see anything, right? Until I see something, I can't do anything. I see you in the server, but I need you on the screen just there. Okay, I'll come back to you when you've done that. Okay. Kenview up 0.27. CVX. Tesla. Oi, yay. Nice. Tesla going up. Rivian. McDonald's. Google. Microsoft. Walmart. Tesco. Tilray. Robinhood. Very nice indeed. That's better. Back in the green again. IonQ. Rocket Lab. Plug Power. Procter & Gamble. Rumble. Funware. FFIE. Rio Tinto. Bitcoin. 34,000. Up again today. Matic again. Up again today. XRP. Up again. Still can't see you, Buckaroony. Just waiting for you to appear. I'm looking for you, literally looking right at the screen. Enphase. This might be because you're not a member yet, you see. You've sent me a friend request and you've never actually come in. It doesn't allow you to talk for 10 minutes until you sign up. This is what I think. I don't think you've ever come in and ever got signed up. There's a 10-minute wait period if you've never signed up for our server. You may have sent me a friend request, but I don't know who you are until I've upgraded you, you see. So there's a 10-minute wait before you can talk in our server. And I think it's that. I think you've never done it. When you get membership, then you get upgraded. It's part of the way it works. Right. Enphase Energy, 8107. Huge position for me now. I'll explain it all later in this special video. Watching the market now. We'll come back to, it says I need a server. You don't need a server. This is the thing. You don't need a server. I don't know what you mean. Let me give you the correct link to come into Welcome All, right? Here is the correct link to come into Welcome All, all right? That will bring you direct into Welcome All. What you've got to do is, I'm trying to sort it. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Sat lying. I need a server, but coming up blank. Sat lying. I'm not sure what sat lying means. You click on it, says select a server, but coming up blank. That's why I've given you the link. That's why I've given you the link, okay? I've given you the link. If you click on that, that'll take you directly to my server. Look, what it'll bring you to this page here. You accept the invite, you come on in, you verify your email, and you'll be in. That's what happens when you click that link. Okay, you can't talk for 10 minutes because it won't allow you to. That's the purpose of it. That's the security of it. but that's what it will do. And once you then come in and verify and everything else, I'll be able to accept you as a friend and upgrade your account. It'll all make sense. In a minute, you'll go, oh, yeah, it's one of those things, right? Anyway. Anyway, I'll leave that with you. Take your time. Don't rush. It'll take 10 minutes to come through. And then as soon as it works, you'll go, oh, that was obvious, right? It'll appear obvious. The S&P, Amazon, I'll sort it. Yeah, brilliant. So just coming to welcome all. I need to do it on a live show though. That way, I can check it's right and check it's you and explain everything properly. So, all right. Next year Energy, Enphase, 8087. We got half an hour before the bell goes. Welcome, everybody. If you've just tuned in, consider subscribing to the channel. Put a subscriber on the channel. It really helps. And tap Mr. Mini-Me. Let's see if we can get some more likes. We've got 34 watching. We got 50%, which is great. 99.5% is our average up like. Unfortunately, some people aren't signed in. That's just the way it is. Some people aren't signed in, so they can't engage. Just like Buckaroo, he can't engage on Discord. He's not signed in yet. Right, so there you go. 35 watching. There you go. 35 watching and 18. So there you go. We got more than 50%, which is great. And I will tell you, last night we had 100 and something likes on the Enphase. 100% like. 100% like on 100 likes. Absolutely fantastic. Can't believe it. Best ever video last night for the like ratio. 100 likes, 100 up likes. Brilliant. 100%. 19, there you go. If you smash the like button, it shares the video to more people. It will also then suggest you my content in the future. If you down like it, then that's fine too. I don't mind you doing that. What that will do is it won't suggest my videos to you anymore, so you won't see me anymore, which is great. You'll find stuff that you do want to enjoy on YouTube, and we'll get a stronger audience, a more engaged audience. That's what we want. So do something, sign in. Some people get confused when it says you need a YouTube account to be able to sign into YouTube. It doesn't actually mean that. Too many people get confused by that. And I've said to YouTube, they need to change that terminology. People think, I'm not signing up for YouTube. I don't want to be a YouTuber. You don't have to. But everyone has to have an account. It's just like using Google. You've got to use a Gmail account, right? You just got to create an account. It doesn't mean anything. But you can't exist and have a say and engage and be part of it unless you do. So just create a YouTube account, a YouTube channel, but you don't broadcast. You don't go, oh, now I've got to be a YouTuber. Some people get really confused by that. So anyway, good morning. Added 20 shares of Tesla yesterday. Well, my wife did as her first ever trade. Now holding 1,212, my lucky number, has got married on the 12th of December 2012. Mark Saxby. That's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Mark Saxby, by the way, is a new member to our channel. So, Mark, you have not yet been upgraded on Discord. You've not been given Discord yet, have you? This is what we're trying to sort out with Buckaroo at the moment. There is my Discord link. Click on that. It takes 10 minutes to get signed up. It doesn't take 10 minutes. It takes 10 seconds to get signed up. It takes 10 minutes to go through a waiting period. So we make sure that you're not a scammer or a bot. It's just the way we can secure the server as best we can anyway. Still get some idiots in there, but that's the best we can do. So if you do that, come into the welcome all. I will find your name and upgrade you and give you all access to all the extra benefits, the things that you can't get right now. All right, you'll come into the welcome all screen here where I've said hello, where Mike said hello, and Mike says welcome in Buck, and you'll be here, and we can then upgrade your account. All right? Okay, it's one of the perks that you get as a YouTube member. Right. Enphase Energy teetering at $80. The overall portfolio is down but moving up. Let's check in on Bloomberg this morning. Big week ahead for the markets. Yep.
rate cuts to come.
It's this give and take that the Fed has to manage.
The continued strength of the economy actually handcuffs the Fed.
The economy has much more resiliency.
The resilience of businesses, the resilience of the consumer.
The labor market that is just, very strong.
A pretty strong labor market.
The Fed is looking at all of these data juxtaposed with inflation that's still too high.
The Fed is not looking to tip the market into recession.
Everybody's wondering what these lagged effects of rate hikes are going to be.
Joining us now to discuss, Nuveen's Tony Rodriguez and Margie Patel of Allspring Global Investments.
There we go. We'll keep up to date with that if we get anything. Also, Sky News as well. And another bit of false information being spread around this morning, saying that the US has entered the war, by firing at Syria. Absolutely ridiculous. Iraq and Syria, it's been at war with the US for years. It was simply a missile strike on their interests in that area for their own bases and their own security. Overall, it looks like an increase in the aggression, but it isn't. Again, false information there. People are going, that's it, the US have joined in the war. No, not at all. Right, Buckaroony has said he's done it. So now we can get to work. So, Buckaroony. This is Buckaroony. Well, obviously, Buckaroo, done it. Woo, woo, I'm a dinosaur. So just confirm, is this you, Buckaroony? Someone could pretend to be you. Trust me, people do all the time. And see, you do not have a membership role. So just confirm that is you. I'm sure it is. Just say, yes, that is me. And we'll welcome you in, because someone could have simply created an account to pretend to be you. The moment I accept you in and give you all the membership, then the channel gets flooded with nonsense, right? Do not accept any friend requests from anyone other than myself or my friends. So Buckaroo, just say, yes, that's you. Any relation to Bert Saxby, says Bill. Just do that. I'm sure it is. So I'm going to start to do it. In fact, I'm going to wait. I just need that confirmation to be absolutely clear. And you just need to say it's you and YouTube. Just say it's you and YouTube, just so I know it's you. I know it sounds obvious, but trust me, people pretend to be you, create accounts because they want to get access to all the stuff, phone into the show, and all the other things that they get as well, manipulation of the members. So just say it's you and YouTube, and I will upgrade it. And then I'll give you all the benefits. All right. Virgin Galactic up today, 2.7. Palantir up. Hi, Bill, Stephen, Mark. Gold down. S&P going up. Amazon going up. Apple going up. NEE flat. Enphase trying to break out. Hi, good morning. Our guest here from, I believe it's Taiwan, I think. I always forget. I'm terribly sorry. Coca-Cola going up. Hope you're feeling a little better, Mike. He is. J&J still going down. It's not going bankrupt, people. Hi, Mike. Sorry that this is taking so long with Buckaroony, folks. It's my apologies. We have a very secure server, and we have to do things a certain way. Just waiting for Buckaroony to say in the chat, yes, that's me. I know it sounds silly, but I know how people get round to the system. And we cannot have that. McDonald's up. Google up. Microsoft up. Walmart. Tesco. Hi, Mike. Here's all the comments coming in. Liam Laffey, yes, I'm okay. Thanks for asking. Robin Hood up. IonQ up. Rocket Lab up. I'm only 7% down now. Fantastic. Plug Power up. This is good. A lot of my stocks are up. I'm just waiting for Enphase to react this morning, one way or the other. Buckaroony, where are you? Just say that's you. This is why we have to check, you see. Folks, I know you understand. We're here to protect my audience. That's what it's all about. Enphase. I'm going to reply to him there just so in case he can't hear me. Please confirm it's you in YouTube chat. Okay. 25 minutes ago. What is Enphase going to do? We are now at... glad you're feeling better, Mike, there. We got lots of love coming in from Mike this morning. Absolutely wonderful. I love it. Okay. Watching the news, watching the stock, watching everything else. We're running the poll. We've got 60 votes now. Here is the Enphase poll. If you've not yet voted, we've got a special video coming out after the opening bell. There is the Enphase poll. This is the poll. We've got Chevron earnings as well coming up. Very disappointed with oil. I bought it at the wrong time. There is my Chevron oil earnings. It's coming up straight after the opening bell. When the opening bell now, this is what's happening next. Then we've got the closing bell. Then we've got Sensei on Sunday with his own show, preparing for the technicals, the charts, and everything else for the upcoming week. You got to see that. Very, very important. You'll learn a lot about Sensei, all about his crypto challenge. Make sure he's been right with the S&P, topping out. He was right with Bitcoin. Everything has been in crypto. It's all been spot on. So make sure that you check out that on Sunday. Really, really good. Seth Houston. It's me, 100%. Buckaroony. See? I need him to say it's him on YouTube. I need you to say it's you on YouTube. This is the problem. This is it. See? I know it's confusing for people sometimes, but we have to do it this way. I need you to confirm flipping heck, it's you on YouTube. Sorry, Kate, I'm at work. Right, okay. Oh, he's done it now. He's done it now. He's here. Mate, bloody predictive text. Okay, he's here now. Fantastic. Thank you, Buckaroony. I'm sorry it's been difficult for you, but I have to... I have to do it this way because people will come in pretending to be you. So, Buckaroony, the first thing I've got to do, now I can do everything. First of all, I'm going to add you as a friend. There you go. I've added you as a friend. Second thing I need to do is change your nickname. It's only your nickname. It doesn't change your name, but it makes you the same name as it is on YouTube. Buck Rooney. That way we know it's the same person. So you've got exactly the same name on YouTube. Now what I do is I will upgrade your whoopsie-daisy. I will now upgrade you give you a role as member. There you go. You can now access, because you are a YouTube member, I've given you the membership. You can now see all the exclusive channels down the outside. You can also see the broadcast lounge in broadcast. That's how you phone into the show. You just come in there when I open it up. That's how people call into the show, phone in, say hello, share things and whatever. Every morning you can now come into the breakfast bar with everybody, leave pictures. You can crypto news, ask the family questions. These are all the private, exclusive, membership only things. And now I've accepted you as a friend. Now then, please do not accept anyone's friend requests other than me. And I've already done it. There's lots of people that will pretend to be me. I've already done it. You should already be a friend of mine. If I go to direct messages, look, we are now friends. It's been accepted. Okay, we are now friends. It's been accepted. It's done. Do not accept friend requests from anyone else other than me or the people that I am friends with. I'm only friends with the members. And you can check. So if you right click me and you come my role, I am the owner. As you can see, I'm the owner. There'll be other Martin Lucases pretend to be me. They're not me. Okay, if I look at my profile, they will use my name, Martin Lucas. They will even use my logo. But the one thing they cannot use is this. Martin Lucas is my username. They will have Martin Lucas with a dot or a T or two S's or a Z or something like that. No one else can be me, but you are already friends with me. To protect you, please do not accept any friend requests from anyone other than me or friends of mine. And if you look at someone's profile, it will say friends with Martin Lucas or whatever. Okay? All right, there you go. You are now done. Sorry, it took a bit of a while, but Cherry just says to me, I am watching you now. Can you see me on YouTube? Cherry, I can't see you until you say something. I can't see you until you say something in YouTube. I have seen that you are now a member again. I do know you are a member again. I saw that come through on YouTube, but I don't see you in the chat, of course, until you say something. Thank you. All right. Just replying. Virgin Galactic is going up. I had to verify my email. That's right. I'll get something to Discord later today. Mark Saxby, yes. And then later on, in the closing bell or whatever, I will upgrade your account. I do it live, and if you get everything done, it'll be a lot quicker than it was with Buckaroony, because I will just do it straight away. Buckaroony had a few issues there we had to solve. All right. Anyway, PLTR, GLD, S&P, Amazon, Apple, Next Era Energy, Enphase, 8086. And it will happen if you let it. When I first signed up, quite a few tried to pretend to be mine. I just blocked and reported them. That's right. That's correct. And the point is, they will access your computer, they will get your emails, all that stuff. So this is why I spend every effort to make the server as secure as possible, with the highest level of protection. That's why I go to the trouble of doing all the things I do. I know it sometimes seems a pain in the arse, but you've got to do it right. Unfortunately, we live in a world like that. All right, 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. Enphase Energy 81. I've got a special Enphase Energy video coming out later on this morning, all about it. So stick around for that. The overall markets, for me, my overall portfolio is slightly down. That's why the studio is red, but Virgin Galactic has moved up. Palantir is moving up. Gold is going down. The S&P is moving up. Amazon. Good earnings last night. They blew everybody out the water. Just signing in to my report. Flipping out. Don't you just hate all this security? It makes the world miserable, doesn't it? So many things you have to do because of idiots in the world. It's really horrible. But it's the way the world is. No point moaning about it. Right. Looking at my information with Enphase Energy, which I'm going to be reporting on soon. Okay. Enphase 8085. Now then, if you all signed 62 votes now, if you've not yet voted, I'm going to send this to. I've got connections with Enphase Energy, so I'm going to send this off to them. This poll. If you've not yet signed it, share your thoughts, your comments. You can like this, repost it, whatever. We've got a competition starting soon, so we're going to give away a cash prize and a mug live here on YouTube. Excited about that. If you watch me over there on TikTok, click the profile link there, and you can be part of that. That's coming up soon. For those of you who don't know, I'm back on TikTok again. If you want to just quickly say hello, shall I give everybody the TikTok link? Where is it? Where is it? Here it is. Martyn TikTok. Here we go. Let me give everyone the link. Let me see if anyone pops in and says hello. This is my TikTok. I'm live there right now. All right, there's TikTok. You get a slightly different perspective. We've got 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. I'm keeping my eye. This is what you actually see on TikTok, right? If you've not had a little look, you can have a bit of fun in there if you want to see what's going on in there. Here we go. I'll just bring it on the screen so you can actually see what I look like in TikTok. You get a different perspective. And this is what you see here. This is what you get. There you go. So you can see it's at the side of. Well, why is it frozen? It shouldn't have frozen, should it? Why is it frozen? There you go. It's not frozen. So there you go. That's what you get if you go into TikTok. You get that view there at the side. This is the screen that TikTok are looking at. You get the idea? All right. I just realized something. Why is that like that? Let me just change that around a second. There you go. See what I mean? That's what you get. Anyway, that's those that are watching me on TikTok. So if you want to click on that link. Good day. Jason Fallon. How are you, Jason Fallon? Lovely to have you here. Australia. Is that a good... That's not bad, actually, is it? That was quite good. I was quite impressed with that myself, actually. These are all our members around the world. And if you want to join my TikTok army, you want to sort of get thousands of people, because you can get thousands of people in the stream really quickly. What you do is you go into TikTok and you tap the screen like that with two fingers. And what it does, it puts like hundreds and thousands of likes on the screen. And because people are doing that, TikTok share it out to more people. And all of a sudden you see it go up. It's you can suddenly see it go up. Got 180 likes right now on TikTok, and it can go to like 20,000 in about 5 minutes. If everyone just does that with two fingers and taps the screen, it's really cool. Anyway, how many of my subscribers have I got in there? I've got 9 minutes to go. I've got 3 subscribers now. See the little star at the top? 3 subscribers. That's my fans on TikTok that support me becoming a subscriber. You get exclusive content. I answer your questions. I also promote your channel as well. So thank you very much for doing that. Oh, hang on a minute. What's going on with YouTube? I've just noticed this screen is buffering. I've never seen that before. What's going on there? Apologize a minute. Let me fix that if I can. I don't quite know what's going on there. All right, let me get rid of that and do that again. Close player. Okay. Never seen that before. Wow. Something's weird going on. Just bear with me, guys. On TikTok, you're getting a real awful experience. Okay. We've got 8 minutes ago. I should be able to fix it. Just bear with me. I'm going to reset the here on YouTube for you. I don't know why it's doing. I've never seen that before. So I've got to go to, whoops. This is fun. Okay, change that to there. YouTube, right. That's YouTube up there. What on earth is going on? I'm really, really sorry. I don't know why it's doing this. Okay. I have no idea why it's doing that. Let me get rid of the flags a minute. Getting all sorts of issues here this morning. I don't know what's going on. Since we got these updates, Australia. Yeah, you like that, did you? Yeah, everything seems to be playing up with YouTube. Okay, I've managed to get the next show up. So now we've refreshed it. And now let's see if I can come in again fresh and see if I can bring it in again. Close player. Restart it. It just won't play it. YouTube will not let me play my... Look at that. It won't let me play it. So, guys, what I'm going to do is end it on TikTok. I obviously can't, at the moment, get it to play. I'm sorry about all the strobing. I don't know what's going on. I've got to focus on my YouTube audience. That's our main audience right now. I don't know why YouTube is doing that strange, bizarre thing. So it seems I can't fix it. So I'm going to end it for you because it's not a good... Oh, is it settled now? Oh, it's settled. Okay, it's finally fixed. I've no idea what was going on there. No, it's still not working. Okay, I'm going to end it on TikTok. I apologize for the hassle for you guys. I'm going to go back to the audience. We've only got 3 minutes before the bell goes. I'm sorry, but I can't do today's show. It's not working on YouTube. Bye-bye for now. I've never seen anything like it. Turn the TV off and reset the TV. That's really weird. I've never seen anything like that. Okay, whatever. Right, Enphase. We've got 5 minutes to go before the bell. I got a special video coming out for Enphase later on. We're going to go half an hour into the bell, and then I'm going to take a short break. We have got Chevron earnings coming up as well. And that is at 9:30. It's an hour from now. We've got the Chevron earnings. This is the Chevron earnings. If you are into oil and want to know the future of oil, learn from the biggest. Chevron, one of the biggest anyway. Chevron, that's this morning. In an hour from now, it'll be in your time zone. All right. Let's get ready to ring the bell. That was the most weirdest thing. I've never seen that before on YouTube. Literally, my YouTube channel was just stuttering, going backwards and forwards. It's on the same frame. It's really weird. Anyway. Gold, Fu, S&P, Amazon, Apple, NextEra Energy, Enphase, 80. Here we go. 3 minutes to go before the bell goes. It's all riding on here now. Is Cherry in the chat? Can anyone? Cherry says she's watching and she says something. I don't know where she is. I think she's in the wrong stream. I don't understand what she's watching. Let's see if she's over here. No, she's not over here either. I'm confused. I don't know where she is. I'm live now. I'm live now in this show. You are not in this show. I'm going to give her the link. This is Cherry, one of our members. I don't know where she's watching me. I ain't got a clue. But she says she can hear me, but I don't know where she is. Let me give her the link to this show. She said she did say good morning. Did anyone see Cherry this morning? I don't see Cherry in the chat at all. No. And I've searched for her and I don't see her either. Very weird. Anyway, here we go. We're coming up to the last minute. We're watching Enphase Energy on the bell. 82. Got a big, very important video coming out about Enphase Energy shortly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. I know what it is. I bet Cherry is signed into YouTube. I bet she's in with a different account. I bet you are signed in with a different account. That's what it is. I bet you any money you like. I bet she's in with a different account. I bet if I go none members, you'll see her. I bet that's what she's done. Let's look. Remember, you can comment, but we don't see your comments. I bet that's what she's done. Right. Get ready to ring the bell. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has now gone. Where are we going? Cherry, comment in the chat. If you comment in the chat now, I bet you any money I'll see you. 83, it's going up. 83. Come on, Enphase Energy. 84, 84. Where's it going? 84. I've got a really big video coming out about Enphase Energy later on this morning. You don't want to miss it. Enphase Energy could go up 30% this morning. Literally could go up 30% this morning. I think, well, I'm not going to tell you why. It's up to you to do what you want to do. But I'm not going to try and influence you in any way whatsoever. I'm going to bring out a video and explain it exactly. 82. 83. There we go. My overall portfolio is trying to push up. Virgin Galactic is 153. PLTR just gone down slightly. Gold is down slightly. The S&P is down. Is up. Sorry. Amazon is going up today. Great earnings. Phenomenal earnings. Apple is going up. NextEra Energy coming up. Enphase Energy now 81, 81.20. Neil's, my average is 150. Lovely. My average is 150, Niels. Lovely. What do you mean? 150. Yeah, I was. And I bought it all the way down. And I'm not going to tell you too much about it until the video comes out after this. But my average is now 107. 81, 81, 82, 82. It could go up 30% today. Excuse me. Coca-Cola dropped off. J&J is still going down. J&J is not going bankrupt. People are spreading false information. Chevron is going down. Awful bloody stock. I bloody hate it. Rivian, McDonald's, Google, Microsoft, Walmart, Tesco, Tilray, Robin Hood going back down. IonQ up. Rocket Lab up. We've got the flights. I doubled my position. Plug Power. I doubled my position. Procter & Gamble. Rumble. Funware. FFIE going down. Rio Tinto going up. Bitcoin up. Matic up. XRP up. Let's go back to Enphase Energy. Come on, 80. It tried to break out there and stopped. My overall portfolio is going down. I think it's J&J. Yeah, J&J taking a dive. It's only down by 0.5% though. But when you got 22.5 grand's worth of it, it makes a difference. Okay, the overall portfolio is down. Don't like this. PLTR, gold, the S&P, Amazon, Apple's now going up. Nothing in there though. Next era energy, Enphase. Come on, it's having another go at it. 81. Mullen is up. Whoop-de-doo. Mullen is up to 33 cents. Or we're excited now. The flipping Mullen saga continues. The rubbish continues. I'll buy it here without unbalancing my portfolio. It would be 100. If I buy it here without unbalancing my portfolio, it would be 130. 82. 83. Could go up it could go up 30% today. 83. Let's have a look at some closer action and the buying orders on it as well. Let's have a quick look. Let me share with you on the screen. Let's have a look at the orders, the order book coming in. It's pretty much now. It's starting to go up to the bids are going higher. We got some bids. Remember, the manipulation is all over this. Don't take this as red at all, green, whichever. But yeah, we do have more buys coming in. If I scroll to the bottom, a lot of orders, a lot of action. Yeah, a lot of people want to buy it, but no big numbers really. And again, it's very manipulated anyway. 6,000 there at 76. Not big numbers. 1,000 at 76. Scroll to the top. 7,000 at 77. 3,000 at 78. It's going up now. 82, 83. It's massively undervalued. 4,000 at 79. 84. You watch FOMO kick in. We could even get a short squeeze. 9,000 at 80. The bids are coming in because I've been messaged all night with the people that are short in the stock, trying to make everyone look silly and try and destroy the company. I hate those people. No, I don't. That's a strong word. I don't like when people try to destroy a market. I understand you want to short the stock. That's the game. I've not got nothing against that. I mean, half my audience do that. I get it. However, I don't like when you are going vehemently in. Where is my membership star then? Cherry, I now see you in the chat. I can see you in the chat. It's because you've signed in with a different account. That's why you couldn't see earlier, because it's members only. I've now turned the members only off. You have signed, you have become a member with a different account. You obviously have 2 YouTube accounts. What you need to do, you are in this account on YouTube right now. I can see you in my chat. Look, I can see you on the screen, Cherry, but you don't have a badge and you are a member. And the reason is you've got 2 accounts. This is you with a different account. What you need to do is switch your accounts. Okay? You can just log out of this account and you've obviously got another account which you've signed up for and paid a membership for. You need to be in with that account. That's why I couldn't see you earlier, because it was members only. That's why now I've turned members only off, I can see you. That's why there's confusion. You have got two accounts. You've signed in with the wrong, the other one, and that's why. And I knew if I turned membership only, I would probably see you, and I have. There you are. So you've got two accounts. All right? I can't help you on that. That's something you have to do yourself. Right, 83, nearly 84, 84. It's breaking out now. The amount of people that are trying to short this stock, if it goes up to 90, 95, we could start bringing in short squeezes because it's been really heavily shorted because people want to drive it down. That's a big, big mistake. It's one of the most undervalued companies now on the stock market. I've got a video coming out about this later. Which is really going to explain the details of this and why I've gone all in. Look how many shares I have. 10,000, coming up to $11,000 now. Look at it go. It's 13.5% of my portfolio, 129 shares. I'm not going to give too much away, but all I can tell you is this Enphase Energy are more than likely at any moment to buy the shares of this company themselves. I don't want to say too much and give too much away, but that'll come out on a video later. But I've got a $200 price target on this stock, 200. Which is, quite a bit more than 82 right now. So anyway, it's up to you what you do. Sherry, did that make any sense? I hope I explained it to you. Anyway, I've done that. I've answered all the questions. I've got to get off in a minute because I've got this video to finish. How many people have voted in our vote, which I'm sending off to Enphase Energy? There's the vote. There's the poll. If you've not yet voted, sorry, I'll give it to you again so you know what it is. It is really undervalued if they expect 100 million revenue in Q1. Just a question. Is it really undervalued if they expect 100 million revenue in Q1? Just a question. Short term, you're all missing the point. This is. I'm not going to give too much away. You need to do your own research. I've got the video coming out. It'll explain all of this. It's the difference between investors and gamblers and those with no patience. I'm going to explain it all in the video coming up. I'm not going to talk about it too much now. The overall portfolio is going down because of Enphase dropping again. Virgin Galactic is taking a dive again. PLTR down, gold, S&P, Amazon's going up. Very, very nice. Amazon, last night you could have bought it for 118, now 127. Yeah, missed the boat there. Great earnings. It will bring the overall markets up though. Next Era Energy going up. Enphase. When the rates come down, oh my God, get ready for one almighty pump on my portfolio. I'm an investor, not a gambler or a speculator. That's true. I just wonder what the value would be on the short term. No, it's not about the short term. I couldn't care less about the short term. Absolutely got no interest in the short term. I am not, and I repeat, I'm not buying the stock price. I am buying the company, and that is what I bought. And I'm not interested in the stock price. I'm not as interested in the short action. None of it. None of that is of any interest to me whatsoever. Tesla going up. Rivian. McDonald's. Google. Microsoft. Walmart. Tesco. Tilray. Robinhood. IonQ. Rocket Lab. Good news coming there. Plug. It's the early morning sell-off. Enphase is trying to push up again. 81, 82, 83. If we suddenly get the buy-in from Enphase, it'll go up 30% in minutes. I'm just gonna look what the short interest is now, how it's changed, and also my intrinsic value. Here we go. We've got it now. US. Right, I've got it. Okay, undervaluation, 68%. Undervalue. Yes, 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 yes. Oh, I can't wait. Right, okay. Enphase Energy now is, 68% undervalue, 40% undervalue, and, brilliant. Okay. And that was at 80. Yeah. Right. Okay, good. I will try to fix it when I have time. You don't need to fix it, Sherry. It takes like 1 second. You just click in the top 3 dots of your screen. You just change your account. Let me share with you. All you do, it'll take you literally 1 second. It will take you 1 second. Top right-hand corner of the screen on YouTube, on your account, 3 dots. I can't click on mine because it will show all of my security. But the 3 dots, all you do is switch account. Boom, boom. That's it. Takes you. You don't need time to do it. You do it in 10 seconds. If you're on a phone, I will show you my YouTube. How much can I show you without? How much can I do it? Right, it is. Right. Okay. And on the app, I'm trying to sort of not, show my security. On the app, look, switch account. Just switch account. All you do is click switch account at the top, and that'll be it. All right. You just switch account. And I can't show any more information. I'll be giving away my ID and so on and so forth. But anyway, that's how you do it. So I don't want to bring anything down, but just yesterday I heard from my mother. Don't know whether it's true yet, but she said that the rates could be raised from the growth of the economy. Raised from the growth of the economy. Tell me I'm wrong, please. No, that makes no sense. No, you don't raise rates because the economy grows. That's nothing to do with it. It's to do with inflation. We need to get under control, and inflation has peaked. Inflation is coming down, and there's every reason to believe that interest rates will be paused. And in the spring, they'll be coming down. In the summer, the overwhelming consensus is the rates will be coming down in the spring. There might be one final rate hike. I don't think there needs to be. I don't think there will be. There could be one final rate hike, but then it'll be down again. I don't think that will happen. And we'll know next week because we're covering the Fed report live. Anyway, we shall see. Your mum's right, Seth. Great earnings isn't what the Fed wants. No, I don't agree with that. Inflation is one thing, growth is another. The Fed does not want to put people out of business, does not want to stop people from spending money, does not want companies to collapse. That's not what they want to do. All they want to do is drive prices down, inflation down. That's what they want. If a company is doing well, it shows you that the US economy is strong and resilient. That is a good thing. That's never a bad thing. We often talk about bad news is good news and good news is bad news. That is not a bad thing. We're not saying that the economy has to be destroyed for the rates to come down. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about the prices to come down. That's what we're talking about. And the prices are coming down. So don't get too carried away with we're getting earnings beat. So that means that the Fed has to raise rates and destroy the economy. That's not what's happening at all. That's what I told her. I just had to ask. You know, that's my opinion anyway. If retail keeps buying, inflation keeps high. Best YouTube channel in the world, says Mike. Thank you, Mike. Well, it doesn't work exactly like that. It's not that straightforward. Anyway, Enphase trying to break out again. Right, I'm going to get off then because we've got Chevron earnings coming up in a minute. We've got Chevron earnings coming up in 45 minutes. This is the Chevron earnings. I will make it so that this video goes directly to. I'm going back to members only. I did that just for Cherry because right, Cherry. I'm going back members only now, so you won't be able to chat because you're in the wrong account. But I'm going back to members only because that's what we have to do. So I've done that. And I'm also customizing the video. So this video will go straight to the Chevron earnings. There you go. Chevron earnings. And I will give everyone the Chevron link as well. Make it easier for you. Okay. Here's the Chevron earnings. Chevron earnings. There's the Chevron earnings. Replace pin message. There you go. You can already go there, click like, join me for the Chevron earnings, then the closing bell. Then, of course, tonight, Friday night, is music night. Okay? So I'm going to have to get off because I've got to get this video out that you all need to see about Enphase, then the Chevron earnings, then the closing bell, then the music tonight. All right, so Virgin Galactic's going straight back up again. Palantir going back up. Amazon going up, no surprise. NEE, Next Era Energy, Enphase, 82. All right. Okay, I've got to get off. I'm not even gonna have time to do the closing any day trader of the day stuff. I've just got to simply get out of the show. So I'll see you back in a few minutes for the premiere of the video. I've also got Chevron earnings coming up as well. I think I've answered everyone's question. That's it from me. I'll see you back in a few minutes. It's a really big day today. As always, take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto. Most importantly, take care of each other. It's great to have Mike back in the show, and we're glad he's feeling a bit better, if not ideal. See you back in a bit. Take care of yourselves and each other.